Welcome to the user guide of M01. 1. Meet M01, M key/power key, indicator light, pan tilt rocker. Photo/video keys, fill light button, fix the screw button, mobile phone clip, tripod, trigger key, supplemental light, zoom sliding module, PTZ Type-C charging port. First use of M01, please scan the QR code to download the software. Please keep the mobile phone connected wirelessly on. Press the power button to connect wirelessly. Open Gimbal Show, click the device button on the top left, to automatically pair. 2. Use stabilizers, collapse M01 and expand, lock and fix the screw. Rotate up and untie the arm mounting lever, rotate left to untie the mounting lever. Pull the mobile phone clip open. Stuck the phone in. Adjust the position of the mobile phone, approximately adjust to the middle of the phone to contact the mobile phone clip. Press the power button to start the stabilizer. Click the power button to switch modes. PF mode, half follow mode. The platform follows the rotation from side to side, stay up and down. AF mode, full follow mode, the cloud platform follows the rotation up and down, left and right. AL mode, lock mode, the cloud platform is fixed in on E direction and remains motionless. FV mode. All three axes of the cloud platform are unlocked, the stabilizer rotates with the movement of the hand. Double-click the M key/power key, horizontal/vertical beat mode switch, triple-click the M key/power key, show the remaining power, push the cloud platform rocker. The cloud platform rotates in the direction of the joystick. Click the photo/record key, trigger to take a photo/record. Double-click the photo/record button, switch between photo and video mode on the app. Triple-click the photo/recording keys, front and rear camera switching. Push the zoom slider, push up the shot to zoom in. Push down and zoom out. Click the trigger key, turn on intelligent identification tracking, click cancel again. Double-click the trigger button, pan tilt back to normal. Triple-click trigger key, open the inception space, double-click back to normal again. 3. Supplementary light. Click the supplementary light button, turn on the supplementary light. Click the supplementary light button, warm light can be adjusted in turn. Cold and neutral light, each mode has 3 gear strength adjustable. Double-click the supplementary light button. To turn on flash mode, stop flashing on standalone again. 4. Introduction of Gimbal Show, gesture recognition, click the palm gesture to start identification. You can start taking photos or videos with palm gestures. Stop recording with palm gestures again, Hitchcock. Switch shooting mode to Hitchcock, finger box to track the target, after the tracking box appears, click the recording button, direct to the target, move smoothly. After shooting is completed, M01 will automatically synthesize videos for you. Time-lapse, switch shooting mode to time-lapse. After adjusting the time parameters, click the recording button, turn on time-lapse, after shooting is completed, M01 will automatically synthesize videos for you. Panorama and sock puppet, switch shooting mode to panoramic and sock puppet, select panoramic or sock puppet, click the photo button. After shooting, M01 will automatically synthesize photos for you. Template shooting, switch shooting mode to template shooting, after clicking the template library to select the template, click the recording button, you can follow the template guidance to shoot. After shooting, M01 will automatically synthesize videos for you. The above is all the content introduced by M01. Thank you for watching.